Good morning, year 5. How are you? Hope you are fine. Okay, let's complete our lesson. Lesson 2. Okay. Okay, this is the Earth movements when you hook page 92, 93, 94, and 95. Okay. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to explain that astronomers research the universe and collect evidence using a powerful telescope. Compare between comets, asteroids, and meteors. List who the first one discovered the telescope. Okay, first of all, we will want to solve the homework, the previous homework, okay? Let's solve it together. Open your homework. Okay, scientists explored the solar system. Galileo Galilei was the scientist. He discovered that there are craters on the moon, okay? What equipment did he use to see the crater on the moon? Okay, flashlight, lamp, telescope, his eyes, and his spectacles. Yes. Who can answer this question? Yes. Yusuf. Great. Telescope. Okay. He used the telescope to discover the universe. Okay, or the moon. Okay, number 3. Buzz Aldrin was a scientist who walked on the moon. Complete the sentence. Buzz Aldrin traveled to the moon by. Yes, Yamalak. Habiba. Okay. By space rocket or spacecraft, okay? By space rocket or craft. Excellent. He wears a special clothes because look at the pictures here, okay? Buzz Aldrin wears a special clothes. Why? Great, excellent, because there is no oxygen and it's very cold on the moon, okay? There is no oxygen or air on the moon, it's cold on the moon. Okay, correct yourself. Okay, second question. Many scientists have explored our solar system and stars. One of the first scientists was Claudius Betulo. He made a model of the solar system. Look at this picture, okay? The arrows here show the direction of movement, okay? Use the diagram to describe how Claudius Ptolemy's model works. Okay, who can answer? Yes, Khadija. Okay, excellent. The sun moves, or sun and planets moves, okay? And the earth is still in space, excellent. And sun and planets move around the earth, okay? So he put the earth is the center of the solar system and make the sun and the 8 planets move around the earth. Great. You finish? Okay. B. Scientists now know his model is wrong. Of course, his model is wrong, okay? The Earth is not the center of the solar system. What the center of the solar system? Who can tell me what the center of the solar system? Yes? Great. The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Okay. What did the scientists do to show that Claudius Ptolemy's model was wrong? What did the scientists do, okay, to prove that this model is wrong? Yes? Yes, Kinsey? Okay, excellent. He suggested a new idea, found a new evidence, used technology like telescopes, okay, travel into space, okay, collect more evidence, creative thinking, okay. This is what the scientists did to show that Claudius Ptolemy's model was wrong, okay. Okay, let's start a new lesson. Okay, as we said in our objectives, you have to compare between a comet, asteroids, and meteors. Okay, first one, comet. A comet. Comet is a lump of ice and dirt. okay, that move in a large orbit around the sun, okay, concentrate. Components, ice and dirt. Contain ice and dirt. A lump means a large particles of ice and dirt and move in a large orbit around the sun. You will see the video show you what the meaning of comets, okay? Or it's the position around the sun, okay? It have a tail, okay? It has a tail. The comets, a lump of ice and dirt, move around the sun and it has a tail, okay? Asteroids, we have two planets, Jupiter and Mars. Between Jupiter and Mars, there are rocky objects, okay, called asteroids that orbit the sun. So between Mars and Jupiter, we have some large rocks. It's called asteroids. It's called asteroids belt, okay? It contains these asteroids, components of asteroids, rocks and metals. Rocks and metals, okay? Rocks and metals, okay? Some of them may be larger than some planets, 8 planets, okay? Some of these asteroids, we'll find some of them larger than some planets, okay? So again, asteroids, we'll find the asteroids between an asteroid belts, okay? Between Mars and Jupiter, they are rocky and contain some metals also, okay? They orbit the sun, okay? Like planets, okay? They orbit the sun, but they have an asteroid belt, and they are found between Jupiter and Mars. Okay, meteors. Meteors, when rocks and particles from space started to enter the Earth's atmosphere, in this case, we call them meteors, okay? Or shooting stars, okay? Maybe it comes from asteroids, okay? When the asteroids and the asteroid belts hit, sometimes they hit each other, okay? And transfer into small part of asteroids, okay? Small rocks, okay? These small rocks, by the effect of the gravity of the Earth, it will attract these small rocks or asteroids, okay? In this case, we call it meteoroids. Or shooting stars, when it reach the Earth, when it enter the Earth atmosphere, okay? So the difference between comets, meteors, and asteroids. Let's watch this comparison, okay? Comets, made of ice and dirt, and it have tails, okay? Stay in space, okay? Orbit the sun, okay? Again, comets made of ice and dirt, has a tail, stay in space, orbit the sun. Asteroids made of rocks and metal, also stay in space between Jupiter and Mars. Excellent. In asteroid belt. It also orbit the sun. Okay. Meteoroids made of rocks and metal also. It comes from asteroids. Okay. Made of rocks and metal, but it falls into the Earth's smooth atmosphere. Okay. Gravity pulls to the Earth. They burn up as they fall. Okay. So again, which two kinds? Let me ask you. Okay. Which two kinds stay in the space? Excellent. Comets and asteroids. Which one falls into the Earth? Excellent. Meteoroids. Which one orbit the sun? Comets. Excellent. And asteroids. Okay. Which one made of earth, dirt and ice? Comets. Okay. Excellent. Okay, let's watch this video first, as we'll see you after this video.
Space rocks. Our solar system is a vast and fascinating place. Between Mars and Jupiter, we find the asteroid belt. Due to the mighty gravitational effects of Jupiter, these chunks of rock and metal couldn't come together to form a planet, and instead made up a solar junkyard of sorts. This is a crowded place to be an asteroid. Sometimes they collide with each other and get knocked off course and even out of the belt altogether on a very different journey through the solar system. There are lots of names associated with space rocks, so what's the difference? Well, The bigger rocks are called asteroids. The smaller are meteoroids. And when they fly through the Earth's atmosphere, they are called meteors. If they manage to survive their burning descent through our atmosphere and land on Earth, we call them meteorites. Some meteorites contain iron, which makes them very dense, dark, and magnetic. They are the oldest thing you could ever touch, as they are the same age as the solar system. The gas giant Jupiter marks a boundary in the solar system called the snowline, beyond which objects contain a lot of ice. Past the other three gas giants, we find a huge ring of ice chunks large and small called the Kuiper Belt, where the dwarf planet Pluto lives. Even more of these ancient, dirty snowballs exist in a huge bubble called the Oort cloud. These icy objects can get bumped off course sometimes to become comets that journey past the planets towards the sun. Some collide with other objects and get smashed to bits. Others head towards the sun and form long, beautiful tails as their icy surfaces warm up. Here they will either fall into the sun, never to be seen again, or they will survive and speed back home beyond the snowline. Here on Earth, we are treated to spectacular natural firework displays in the sky from orbiting comets. As they get close to the sun, they burp, splutter, and crumble, leaving behind a trail of debris. At certain times of the year, the Earth plows through these trails and bits of comet flare up as they fly through our sky and become meteors. The early Earth was hit by thousands of comets and asteroids. It is thought they brought water to our world. Comets may have also brought the ingredients of life to the Earth, and the European Rosetta mission could help us unlock secrets about the origins of life on our planet.
Okay, I think all of you now can know the difference between comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. Okay. The first scientist discovered or proved that the sun is the center of the solar system. He discovered the first telescope. His name is Galileo Galilei. In 1600, Galileo Galilei made the first telescope and discovered that the sun is the center of the solar system. So who the first scientist discovered the telescope is Galileo Galilei. After discovering the telescope, he proved that the sun is the center of the solar system. Excellent. What the meaning of telescope? What the meaning of telescope? Look at this picture. This is called telescope. Not microscope. This is a telescope. Telescope. We have one in Egypt. In Hilwan. The most important instrument for looking at the stars, this is telescope, is the optical telescope. This make the distant objects, like stars, look bigger and brighter, so we can see it clearly, inside the telescopes are a lot of mirrors, It collect and focus, the light coming from space to make the image. So you can see the image pretty clear, and so we can discover the space. So the most important instrument for looking at the stars is an optical telescope. This makes distant objects like stars look bigger and brighter. Mirror inside the telescope collect and focus the light to make images. Who can solve this question? Galileo used a telescope to look into space. This is the first telescope. Write down two things Galileo saw with his telescope. Think. You have 30 seconds to think. Who can tell me? Yes, Farah. Yes, stars. Excellent. Yes, Fatima. Sun. Excellent. Yes, Eloay. Moons. Excellent. Yes, Yasin. Planets. Excellent. What else? Yusuf Muhammad. Yes, he can see comets. Excellent. Asteroids and meteoroids. Great. Excellent, you're fine. Okay, this is your homework in your activity book, page 52 and 53. Okay, I will correct it. Okay, 52 and 53 in your activity book, and please photocopy the homework and send it to, or upload it, submit it into Edmodo. Okay, take your mark. Okay, before I leave you, I want you to watch this video. Okay, bye bye.